Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to take off a Ford Focus door panel. First, gather your tools like a trim removal tool and a Phillips head screwdriver. Make sure your car is off and the windows are down for easy access. Locate any visible screws and clips around the door panel's edge. This preparation ensures a smooth and damage-free removal process. Next, begin removing the fasteners. You'll typically find 2 or 3 screws in the door handle and armrest area. Gently pry off any small plastic covers to expose hidden screws. Then, using your trim removal tool, carefully work your way around the perimeter of the door panel, releasing the various clips that hold it to the door frame. Once all fasteners are loose, gently pull the bottom and sides of the panel away from the door. With the clips released, lift the entire panel upwards to clear the window channel. Be mindful of any attached wiring. Carefully disconnect all electrical connectors for components like window switches and door lights before fully removing the panel. Before reinstalling, inspect all clips for damage and replace any broken ones to ensure a secure fit. Reconnect all electrical components, making sure each connection is firm. Align the door panel carefully with the window channel and the door frame. Then, press firmly around the edges to snap all the clips back into place, securing the panel.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.